Alright, so I decided to wait until I got a little further in on this game, just because it takes a little bit of time. I didn't want y'all to have to be watching something super boring for 10 minutes. So I'm just going over how to high score on Slushy Slinger. So right now I am playing on mobile. So when you play on mobile, you can get rid of the animation to pour the slushy. Oop, that was an accident. And so you can move it faster. As you can see, I'm just like instantly doing, sending the slushies down. Ooh, that's covering my score. That's annoying. So it doesn't really matter what color your slushie is. They're going to give you points. It gives more points if you get the right color. But that's really not relevant. What you're trying to get up to is 950 points. Once you hit the 950 marker, the speed that the people coming out of the doors, the rate that they come is exceptionally fast. And so in order to keep up with it, you're going to have to be sending literally 40, 60, 80 slushies at a time. And when we get to that point, you'll see what I'm talking about. So you want to watch the points that you're earning, so that when you get close, you're going to want to have the bottom row and the middle row taken out, and then that you're going to start on the top. And it has to do with the fact that the top row is actually shorter. It's not just the optical illusion. The top row is actually shorter than the bottom and the middle row. I don't know if that was meant to be done on purpose, but that is how it, so if you do it inversely, the top row will refill with people too quickly. Alright, so I'm at 800 points now, so let's see. We're gonna have to knock these people out. Hopefully I can make it to the top fast enough. Alright, that's gonna probably be it. Because I gotta have to take out of this. Alright, now it's at 950. So see how fast they're coming out of the door now? So once it hits 1,000, it's going to be even faster. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Do 20 for a little bit. Alright, now that we've hit the 1,000 marker, they're going to be like pouring out the door. So wait for you to collect your slushies, and then we're going to count to 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now you don't want to do too terribly many. As you can see, even though with those 40, it barely budged the line at all. But if you do too many at one time, you'll overshoot, because it looks like there's a ton grouped up, but they'll be all in one spot. And then they won't be in one spot anymore. See how it pushed back? It was a lot less on that one, but they got pushed back. So you have to be really careful that you don't accidentally overshoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, that should be fine. Yeah, there we go. The other good thing is that all of these slushies are going to come out back to you at like once. Alright, so I'm already into the 2000s, and I'm screwed because the top is moving too fast. But I couldn't turn back. So as you can see, I was able to score 2,200 points. It didn't lag the way I needed it to when I had the bottom row. Sometimes if you can get it right, I could have knocked the bottom row and then gotten back up to the top. But it does take a little bit of time and practice. A little bit of better timing. I probably could have moved down a little bit sooner and then gone back up. Or shot a little bit less on the middle row so that I could move down a little sooner. It is what it is. But as you can see, as long as you're doing that pace and you're watching when you hit 950, that's when you're wanting to really be set and get going. And that's how you really make those high scores. Um, Up until that point, the time is going to take a little while. I'm in a 5-minute video already, and I started, when I had hit like 600 points. So it takes a while to get up there because the speed of the guys coming through the doors, they're not going to increase in rate until you get up to several levels, and that just takes time. You can try to match your slushy colors to make that a little faster, but it really doesn't make a difference. The slushy color really doesn't make a difference at all. It's just the speed and rapidity as far as high scores are concerned. Also, just a final tidbit, if you are playing on the mobile, the touch screen of it is going to be, let me go ahead and submit this. Each of the slushy machines is, if you want to move up or down, you can click the slushy machine to the row you want to go, and then clicking that slushy machine will pour the drink. And then the door that they're coming out of, the guys are coming out of for that row, that is what you'll use to shoot. If you press that door, it'll send it down. So you're going right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, to sling the slushies as fast as possible. All right, I hope that helps. Hope that shows. Hopefully you can make some really good high scores, because it's very different for your team score if you're scoring 2,700 or 3,000 or 4,000 points on Slushy Slinger as compared to 270.